This is a brand new 2015 Ford Explorer for when safety, size, and space are of importance. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 6-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a dual moonroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, a driver airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, dual power seats, air conditioning, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a rear spoiler, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.